Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom t-shirts using your Cricut Joy scraps. So these are stickers that I made and I was just left with the scrap, and I thought instead of putting the vinyl on a shirt, maybe we can use the scraps to have like almost infinite amounts of stencils, because these you can reuse them if you clean them. So I'm going to be using this and then some other ones. This is a t-shirt from my little sister, so she picked out the scraps that I had. Now I'm putting the stencil down, but you have to make sure you put it on right so the paint doesn't seep under. And I'm going to be using these PBO fabric paints. I will try to put them in the description if I can find a link to where I bought them. I heard that they were discontinued, but I'm not too sure. You can use any fabric paint though. All you have to do is follow the directions in the packaging for curing it, making sure that the paint is set on the fabric so you'll be able to wash it over and over again without the paint coming off. Now just put the paint on there, but make sure you don't put it on the sides of the stencil so the paint won't seep over. When you're done, just remove the stencil. Just be very careful and make sure it's dry so none of the paint ends up flicking or going under and messing up your painting. And then you just add either shading or add more stencils, or just add some more. You can even freestyle and paint by yourself. And don't throw it away, just put it away. You can reuse this over and over if you just clean it and take care of it. I am going to continue to add 2 more stencils and paint over them. After that, I'm just going to freestyle a little bit, and that's all you have to do for this part. Then you just have to cure it and follow the directions on the back of your packaging of the paint that you are using. Now I'm just gonna add some shading. This is not necessary, this is just my choice. You can just use this as a stencil and you'll be done. And this is what it looks like after I finish with my shading and my extra painting. And there you have it. And the other stencils that you have, you just clean them up so you can reuse them. You can clean these with a wipey or a Clorox wipe, or anything you have on hand, even just water depending on what paint do you have. And that's it, and you just put them away so you can reuse them. Here I am putting my other stencils away with my paint, so I have them all on hand. And then I'm just gonna cure this by ironing it at the Fahrenheit that it says on the back of my packaging. And here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have questions, comment down below.